Oh, welcome back. It's the Atheist Underground. I'm your conductor, the arrogant one, Amy. What is it? Amy Homely Ferret? I can never remember. It's honestly Coney, Blow Me. I don't know what it is. But no surprise to anyone. She's been confirmed. The lackey Senate got to just push her on through because that's what they all wanted. And it's only because of one thing. They want to just appease the base right here before the fucking election and stack the courts against the majority of people. And we know that the majority of people in America, all the polls show, would believe that if it's a woman's choice, there's no reason to reverse the decades-old decisions that they're really trying to reverse by cramming the courts full of fucking conservative fuckwits. 6-3 now. How's anybody supposed to get anything done? They've already fucked us over in Wisconsin by ruling against Wisconsin's request to have more time to count the mail-in ballots because we know that Agent Orange is doing everything he can to steal the election because not enough people are out there to actually vote for him. If we all were simply to line up and vote and be a popular vote, he'd absolutely get ripped. He'd get destroyed. No one wants to live in a country with these assholes in charge. But the fact is that some of us don't pay enough attention. And I'm here to tell you that this Amy Blow My Carrot is a beady-eyed pinhead like Kavanaugh. Look at her. All you have to do is look at her eyes to see that she's not intelligent enough to weigh in on decisions that are going to affect the country for decades and centuries to come. Never mind try to interpret the Constitution that was written by people who are so much smarter than this pinhead that it's not even funny. It's not even worth talking about. This is who we have on the Supreme Court. If you think I'm triggered, you're right. It's unbelievable that we have anybody who believes in a religious dogma on the highest court in the land. They've already shown by the person that they are incapable of judging things on the evidence. All right? They've already decided that the fact that there's no evidence for God doesn't mean anything. They're going to go ahead and believe in not only God, but some ridiculous religious dogma made up by white man, frankly. And they cannot judge things on the facts alone because there they are ignoring the evidence and judging for their whole lives something that's completely illogical. So how can we trust them to be impartial and fair and logical and reasonable on the most important decisions in the nation? It's unbelievable. It's 2020, and we have religious people on the Supreme Court. It's a fucking embarrassment. It's an intellectual embarrassment that people this dumb get to be on the Supreme Court. When No Sense Pence was getting grilled on, or was grilling his opponent on the debates, Kamala, when asking her, are you badgering her, are you guys going to stack the courts? American people deserve to know, are you going to stack the courts if you don't get your way on Amy Homely Ferret? Are you going to stack the courts? American people deserve. Yeah, I was wanting her to say, yeah, fuck yeah, we're gonna throw up at least three liberals right away. And I wouldn't try to stack it. Make it fucking fair. Make it 6 and 6 and see how much of that shit gets bound up. Because that's what they've done. How can he cry? That's what they've done is stack the courts with not only conservatives, but monkeys. Kavanaugh's got the same beady-eyed look to him. You can tell right away she's already decided. It's like looking at my mom. She's already decided the fucking facts. And there's nothing going to change her mind. She's a fucking Karen. Honestly, I could salivate it. It's like I got rabies. It's fucking ridiculous. Get rid of this pinhead and do something. Get fucking 20 fucking anybody that we can think might be reasonable. And again, I'm not really talking about conservative or liberal because that shouldn't have anything to do with it. Shouldn't have anything to do with it, conservative or liberal. We're looking for judges who can judge the fucking merits of a case and base it on the Constitution and precedents and whatever it is that good lawyers do. But to put pinheads, Catholic dogma believers, and fundamental Catholics, not even like a cool modern Catholic, you know? You gotta be like a priest who goes out and smokes a cigarette and has a drink with the constituency and has a good time at night and doesn't take it all too seriously and doesn't molest boys. There's people like that. Is this one of them? No. It's probably one of the ones that denies evolution. That's where we're at in America. Good fucking Christ, man. I hope to God something happens on Tuesday, man, because this is...